So Ms. Rhodes, I'm now a first-time voter, proud of the fact that I get to vote in this very important year. Tell me exactly, how do I do this with this machine and this card?
Okay, this right here, these two pieces together is what we call a ballot marking device. It's the B&D. All this simply does, it's going to create you a ballot specifically for what you want and what you want on it. It used to be you got the big long paper with everything on it. No, this is not what this is going to do. It's only going to print what you want.
So I have to interrupt here. So let me understand this. So if I am in County Commission District number 3, for example, this now knows where I am and what my ballot should look like. Very good.
Yes, that's what it does. All right, you would then bring your card to the machine.
Okay.
You would insert it in that slot, turn it up the other way. There you go. All right, you would hit next. It's going to ask you questions, very simple questions. Go ahead and answer those. This is in a training mode, so it's asking questions, but usually at this point you're getting candidates that you'll be voting for. All right, once you get finished, it's going to then show the top line is in green, meaning you completed everything. If it gives you a warning of some type, it means something you missed. It'll let you know if you missed something or not. And you can just simply touch in that area wherever the warning is. But on this one, everything looks good. You can also view it still to make sure, the up or down, that you got everything, that it looks good. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to print it? Are you ready? You're satisfied with what you've done?
Well, I have a question for
Uh-huh.
you. If I had not filled in something that I was supposed to, did you say yellow comes up
It's
here? or
a
different color comes up?
it's a different
Or
color.
warning?
It's a warning sign.
But
We can go back here. Let me let you see the warning.
Okay.
Okay, there's the warning. It's got a little red warning sign and a little yellow kind of beigey yellow. It's letting you know something wasn't done. And also, here's the warning, because that's what was not completed. Do you have to? It asks you on that one to vote for 4. Do you have to? No.
Well,
You can do
that's
one.
what I wanted to ask. That's what I wondered. If I had decided I didn't want to vote for something in particular, it's okay for me now to
It's
go
okay.
home?
It will only do what you want.
Right.
It's just letting you know you missed something. But do you have to? No.
Very good.
If you do not desire to do all 4, or maybe just want to do one,
Right.
even if the whole ballot, if you decided it's only one thing you want to vote for it, and you're done. But as long as you get to the preview screen and you're satisfied with what you see, you would hit print.
So now all I have to do is
Hit
print ballot.
Print ballot. It's going to ask you a second time, are you sure you're ready to print your ballot? If you are, hit print ballot.
But I see it also gives me, I could go back and review my choices if I wanted to. If I thought maybe I didn't vote in the second one being asked about, I wanted to go back, I would go back. But I can go ahead and print ballot.
It's going to now physically print just what you mark, what you want your ballot to be. Now remember, this is just creating a ballot. Your ballot has not been counted yet. So, once it prints your ballot, you would get your ballot. You would also, in just a second, it's going to tell you to take the card out. There it is. Take the card out. You would then proceed over to what we call our tabulator.